Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm a little bit ill, so sorry for how I sound, but I had to record my Project Pan update and I'm excited because some things are rolling out, but let's just jump straight into it. So I'm gonna look at my phone and I'm gonna go in the order of how things were rolled into the project. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with the Glam Powder, and that is this one. I had a powder, this is a Polish brand. I had this from an advent calendar in 2019, I think, or 2020. 19, I think. And basically my goal was to use it up. As you can tell, it's empty. The leftovers, I cannot get them out. I tried, but that's all I can get out of it. But yeah, I knew once we go like through here, it's gonna go quick, because here it's the widest point. So yeah, the powder is done. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it, by the way. It wasn't amazing, so yeah, that's rolling out. Also behind me I have like my Project Pan items, so it's just easy to grab for me. Second thing is I know the prompt was something that matches my shirt, and in the intro I was wearing a red shirt, and it's the e.l.f. Duo. It's a lipstick duo and it's red, and I had chosen to work on the lighter one. Actually, I forget how many uses I had. So it was supposed to be 8 uses. For March I had 5 left to do, but I only used it twice, so now I still need to use it 2 more times. So let me show you how it looks. This is the lighter side. I mean, I don't think you're gonna see any progress. It's a red lipstick. What I do is I just use my finger and I tap it on my lips. Not like a full-on red, more like a faded color, and it also looks more pink tone for sure than like a true red. So yeah, how much did I say? 3 more uses on this one. I'm gonna try to do it in April because I want to get rid of this from my Project Pan. Then we had the Victoria's Secret Body Mist. That was a prompt perfume, and here you can see the updates. The top one's where we started. This was in February and now March we're here. I'm definitely using a lot of it. It's also really old, so I want to go through it very quickly. And it's also springtime now, so it fits like my surroundings, you know, the scent fits now. And February, well, I wasn't there yet, we weren't there yet with the weather. So yeah, I'm hoping by the next update it's gonna be done. It's definitely doable, looking at the progress, so we'll see. Then I had a prompt for my hair, and I chose the Scalp Serum, and I said I'm gonna use it up. I wanted to use it up, and here you can see first that we rolled it in, then an update, and then a second. This is where I stopped it, so basically this would be now. But my skin on my head just freaked out. And I think it's because of this, because this was also expired for a little bit. And I said in the previous video, if it works, I'll keep on using it. If it doesn't, I'm going to declutter it. And that's what I did. My skin freaked out, and my skin is really sensitive on my head, and I don't want to play around with it. So I still tried to use it like quite a bit. I used the majority of the bottle. In the end, I don't think if I saw any like, I don't know, like, because this was supposed to help with like baby hairs and stuff. I don't know. I honestly can't tell. I don't think so, at least for me. Because for some people I know it works. For me, it's a meh. This was a single eyeshadow. It was a prompt, I think, that already has a pan. So you're gonna be seeing on the screen how it looked. But I dropped it somewhere last month, and I had to repress it. I was kind of scared to do so, but this is how it looks now. After being repressed, there's already, well, another pan in it. The layer of the shadow is very thin, but I also am scared to use it now because it's so crumbly. But I'm hoping I can still properly use it up without it shattering on me again. So yeah, that's where we are. It's still stained for another month or two, maybe 3, we'll see. Oh yeah, just about the scalp serum, I actually rolled something in the moment I threw that one out, and I'm gonna share that with you at the very end, what that was. Because I thought I still wanna use something, so I rolled in a different prompt, which you'll be seeing in a second. Another thing was a bronzer that got rolled in last update, and this is how it looked before, when it was rolled in. It was pretty much brand new, and I really wanted to make a dent in it, or like, you know, use it. And I set to myself 25 uses, and I managed to reach the goal. As you can tell, now it actually looks used. The pattern is majorly worn off, still on the edges, because yeah, you concentrate your brush in the middle. It's a nice bronzer, I will keep on using it, but no longer in as my project pan item. So yeah, 25 views on this one made a bit of a significance. I know the pans are really deep, so I don't think I'll hit the pan this year even on this. Next one is a single eyeshadow, and that's a long haul product that got rolled in last time. And this is my Inglot Shadow. As you can see, compared to last month, there's quite a big of a dip. Still no pan. I'm like thinking any day now. So my goal was 67 uses. Why? You can go to the previous update and watch why it's 67. I used it 16 times, so it's 51 more to go. I'm wearing it now as a kind of all over the lid shade. It's kind of like a one shadow and done, one and done shadow look. So I really like this, but I'm really interested to see when I'm gonna hit pan on this one. But yeah, I do really like this shade. It's just, you know, you're so close, so you wanna hit pan on it. So yeah, that's that. I think this was a prompt of like something of the oldest products or something, and this trio of highlighters is definitely my oldest highlighter product. Also one of my oldest in the whole collection. So the point was to do it 25 times. I knew it's not going to be a problem. I use it every day. So yeah, I don't think you're going to see like any difference, to be honest. But I do love these products, well, these highlighters, and they last you years and years, and I'll keep on using it. Next up we have a lipstick, and I chose my MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. I said to use it 20 times and I used it 10 times. The wear is minimal, you will not see it on camera at all. I do like this, but definitely because of masks, I don't wear that much lip products in general. So let's hope soon we don't have to wear masks anymore. For now it's only, for us currently it's only public transport, which I still take, so I don't put like lipstick on. But let's hope soon we can run freely with our lips painted, whatever. So to replace that scalp serum, I kind of decluttered. I rolled and I got number 7, which was the prompt number 7, which for me means a brand you only own one of. And apparently this is the only brand from which I own one product. And this is like a powder foundation. My mineral powder foundation, is that how you call it? Whatever. My problem is this is too dark for me, which you probably can't even tell on camera. So how I use it once, just to check if I can use it like that, I use this as a bronzer. So now that other bronzer is out, I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. My goal was 10 uses. I will do that. I tried like to swatch it on my face for a foundation. It's way too dark. Maybe in the summertime, but not now, so it'll be used as a bronzer. But yeah, there's no way to track it, and 10 uses on a mineral foundation will not make a dent at all. So there's no point in me marking it. So I use it once, 9 more to go. So we are rolling out the Glam Powder because I use it up. 25 uses on the bronzer. and same 25 uses on the highlighter palette trio. So I'll be rolling 3 new prompts in. Knowing my luck, it will be like your partner's choice when he's not around, so let's see what I get. It's tricky because my prompts are like, there's only 40 of them or something, 41. So I might need to re-roll a few times to finally get what I want. So let's see if I manage to do that. I'm gonna open my app, how's it called? Pretty Random app. From 1 to 41. Yes. Alright, and I have to roll in 3 of those. Let's see. 12. I'll be just checking if it's already not chosen and I'll read later. 12 is not in. So 12. 6. Also not in. 21. Also not in. Alright. So 12 was Eyeshadow. 6 is Brand New, and 21 Holiday slash Vacation. It can be something that reminds you of vacation, travel friendly, or bought on holiday. Alright, I will need to go have a look what I can find. Be right back. Okay, I am back with my picks. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow I actually have this Kiko Milano High Pigment eyeshadow in the shade 21, and this is how it looks. It's a little bit similar to the one I have on now, I feel like, but I hope this one is more nude, and I'm gonna say to use this one thinking 10 times. I'm gonna say 15 times. As I was saying, I'm gonna challenge myself a little bit because my camera cut out, and it's gonna be 15 times for this eyeshadow. For Brand New, I went for oh, this is my Christmas lights. For Brand New, I went for my lip liner from Ethos, and the color Nude is My Passion. This is how it looks, this is the shade. And I'm gonna say to use this one 10 times. It's brand new, like you can tell, I only just swatched it, so 10 times. And it reminds me of vacation. It's gonna be my SPF of 50 from Biodermal. I want to use this one up. There's not that much left. I'm gonna try to like take a picture of shining the light through it so you can see it. And yeah, that's it. I have to go. Yeah, so I have to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one next week. Bye.